Hey, it's Shane. Have you ever wondered why some travelers always seem relaxed and prepared, even during long haul flights or unexpected layovers? It's not just experience, it's because they carry a few essential items that most people never think about. Today, I'm revealing the 10 items frequent flyers absolutely swear by so you can travel smarter, more comfortably, and stress free. Trust me, number 7 will seriously surprise you. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1 is something deceptively simple yet powerful: a high-quality noise-canceling headset. This isn't just about drowning out crying babies or chatty seatmates, although that alone makes them worth their weight in gold. It's about arriving refreshed and avoiding travel fatigue, which is crucial if you want to hit the ground running on arrival. But how exactly do these headphones work, and are they really worth the price tag? Stick around, because the answer might make you rethink your next flight. Now, moving on to number 2, portable chargers. This seems obvious, right? But here's the twist. Most travelers still underestimate just how quickly their devices drain during travel, especially when using navigation apps, streaming entertainment, or taking tons of photos. Frequent flyers always have a reliable power bank on hand, preferably one with multiple USB ports and fast charging capabilities. Picture never having to scramble for a public charging station at a crowded airport again. But what's the optimal size to balance convenience and power? I'll share that insider tip with you shortly. Up next, number 3 is the underrated packing cubes. Ever opened your suitcase to find a chaotic mess of clothes and toiletries? Packing cubes eliminate that problem entirely. They keep everything neat, compressed, and easily accessible. Plus, you can unpack in seconds, making hotel stays hassle-free. But there's one particular method of using packing cubes that most travelers completely miss. Curious what it is? I'll reveal that in just a bit. Alright, here comes item number 4, a compact first aid kit. Now, you might think this is overkill, especially for luxury or short trips. But frequent travelers know the truth. Unexpected headaches, cuts, blisters, or even minor illnesses can quickly derail your trip. Having a compact, pre-packed kit with basics like painkillers, band-aids, and antiseptics ensures you're prepared for anything. But what surprising item do seasoned travelers include in their first aid kits that most never consider? You won't believe what it is, and I'll tell you soon. Moving to number 5, it's all about hydration: a collapsible water bottle. Airports and planes are notoriously dehydrating environments, which can lead to headaches, fatigue, and even weakened immunity. A reusable, collapsible water bottle means you can easily refill and stay hydrated without relying on tiny airplane cups or overpriced airport shops. But here's the real question. What's the most efficient and travel-friendly bottle frequent flyers swear by? I'll get into that shortly. Now, circling back to noise-canceling headphones. Are they genuinely effective enough to justify the investment? Absolutely. They work by analyzing surrounding sounds and emitting a reverse wave that neutralizes them. The result? Blissful silence even at 35,000 feet, significantly reducing jet lag symptoms and stress. Frequent flyers recommend investing in a premium brand. Trust me, once you try them, there's no going back. Regarding portable chargers, here's the insider tip on optimal size and power. Aim for around 10,000 to 20,000 milliamp-hours. This range offers the best balance between portability and multiple device charging capabilities. Anything smaller might leave you short-charged, and anything bigger could be bulky and cumbersome. Remember that special packing cube method I mentioned? Here it is. Sort your cubes by outfit or purpose, rather than randomly packing items together. 1 cube per day, or cubes specifically designated for business, leisure, or gym clothes. This tiny organizational trick makes unpacking and repacking incredibly simple, saving valuable vacation time and reducing stress. And now, what about that unexpected first aid item frequent flyers swear by? It's actually activated charcoal tablets. These little lifesavers quickly address unexpected stomach upsets or food poisoning, problems that can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. They're compact, affordable, and genuinely indispensable for frequent travelers. And finally, what's the most efficient collapsible water bottle? Frequent travelers swear by lightweight, BPA-free silicone bottles that fold flat or roll up when empty. These bottles save space, are incredibly durable, and are easy to clean and refill, ensuring you stay hydrated effortlessly throughout your journey. But we're only halfway there. 5 more travel essentials still to go, including that surprising number 7. Ready to find out what frequent flyers never leave home without? Keep watching because you're going to wonder how you ever traveled without these items. Number 6 on the list is a luxurious silk sleep mask. Now, this isn't just about feeling fancy. There's actual science behind it. Silk naturally regulates temperature and gently protects sensitive skin around your eyes, helping you avoid those annoying post-flight dark circles. Plus, it blocks out cabin lights or hotel room distractions, significantly improving sleep quality wherever you are. Frequent travelers often call this their secret weapon. But here's a surprising twist. Not all silk sleep masks are created equal. I'll share exactly what to look for in just a moment. Alright, number 7, the one I teased earlier and promised would surprise you, is a portable UV sanitizer. Wait, a UV sanitizer? Yes, and trust me, once you hear why, you'll never travel without one again. Frequent flyers know planes, hotel rooms, and even rental cars aren't exactly spotless. Studies have shown these surfaces can harbor more germs than your bathroom at home. Compact UV devices easily disinfect your phone, keys, glasses, and even hotel remote controls within minutes. But the real question, do these little gadgets truly work, and are they safe? Hold tight, I'll answer that shortly. Item number 8 is a multi-country power adapter with built-in surge protection. Sounds basic, right? But countless travelers forget these or grab cheap ones that malfunction mid-trip. Frequent travelers rely on adapters that cover multiple countries, feature USB ports, and offer built-in safety against power surges, protecting your valuable electronics from unexpected voltage spikes. Wondering how to choose the best adapter without overspending? Stay tuned. I'll reveal that essential advice soon. Moving on to number 9, a set of disposable compression socks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Compression socks? Really? Hear me out. Long-haul flights often lead to swollen legs, fatigue, and even more serious circulation issues. Compression socks significantly improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and help you feel fresh upon arrival. But why disposable? Frequent flyers have a surprising reason for that choice, and I'll explain it clearly in just a minute. And finally, at number 10, frequent flyers always pack nutritious, shelf-stable snacks. Airline food is unpredictable at best, and hunger during delays or layovers can lead to poor choices or discomfort. Packing easy-to-carry snacks like protein bars, nuts, dried fruits, or even small packs of nut butter ensures consistent energy levels and prevents travel-related discomfort. However, there's one particular snack expert travelers swear by, and it's not what you might think. Stick around because I'll share exactly what it is soon. Now let's loop back to silk sleep masks. The trick is choosing 100% mulberry silk masks filled with natural silk fibers, not polyester or foam. This combination offers maximum comfort, breathability, and durability, dramatically improving your rest even in less than ideal conditions. But what about those UV sanitizers? Do they genuinely eliminate germs effectively? Surprisingly, yes. Portable UV sanitizers use ultraviolet C light to disrupt germs' DNA, rendering them harmless. They're safe when used correctly, extremely effective, and incredibly compact, making them an easy choice to safeguard your health during every trip. As for power adapters, frequent travelers recommend adapters that feature universal plug compatibility, multiple USB ports, and clear surge protection ratings. Paying slightly more for reliable brands ensures peace of mind, knowing your devices are protected wherever you go. Compression socks, especially disposable types, might seem unconventional, but here's the logic. Disposable socks offer guaranteed hygiene and convenience. After a long flight, you can toss them without worry, freeing up luggage space and ensuring optimal sanitary conditions. particularly important in tight spaces like airplane cabins. Now, about that go-to travel snack frequent flyers swear by, it's actually roasted chickpeas. Rich in protein, fiber, and nutrients, they're tasty, filling, and stable for travel. Unlike sugary bars or messy options, chickpeas won't leave you crashing or craving unhealthy foods later. Perfect for maintaining energy and focus throughout your journey. So, there you have it. The 10 crucial items frequent flyers never travel without. From luxurious comfort items to innovative health and tech gear, these essentials transform every trip into a smooth, stress-free experience. Before your next journey, double-check your carry-on. Are you missing any of these game-changing essentials? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have your own travel secrets, I'd love to hear them. Until next time, safe travels and happy flying.